पिछले एपिसोड में आप लोग मुझे देखा होगा पोस्को एक्ट 2012 के अंतर्गत पार्ट 1 में जिसे कहते हैं पार्ट 1 पहला भाग, उसमें आपको मैंने पोस्को एक्ट के अंतर्गत आने वाले सारे ऑफेंसेज के बारे में बताया था और इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था। हो सकता है 1 by 1 सेक्शंस हमने नहीं कंप्लीट किया था। पहले हमने शुरू किया था सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट से। आज मैं चैप्टर 3 यूजिंग ए चाइल्ड फॉर पोर्नोग्राफिक पर्पसेज, ये चैप्टर 3 में है। हो सकता है आपके दिमाग में हो कि सर ऐसा काहे कर रहे हैं, बीच में कहीं गैप हो गया होगा, छूट गया होगा कुछ। तो परहैप्स यू कीप करेज and you will have no such type of grievances at the end of my lecture. So we shall start by section 13, which says that using a child for pornographic purposes and punishment therefore. This is your section 13. Section 13 says that using a child for pornographic purposes and punishment therefore नहीं है, therefore है, माइंड इट। चैप्टर 3 ऑफ पोस्को एक्ट 2012. So in this section we shall first of all remark the pornographic purposes. What is the meaning of pornographic purposes? Generally we use in Hindi अश्लीलता. Nowadays a case law or offences regarding the pornography is going on in the form of Raj Kundra. This is burning case in our country, and all of us perhaps know about it, what is happening or what is going to be happen in future in this regard. This is also related with the pornographic purposes, but there was abatement in this case also. Some instigation was there, fuslahat, and newcomers who comes to make herself a good or better purposes for film work, but in spite of that they go to the hell in like pornographic purposes and a person like Raj Kundra draw these illegal habits, and so many girls are destroyed or their career are ruined by this pornographic purposes. And this is very vital and important case, and the verdict of this and the outcome of this case will be seen later on. Now, if we see pornographic purposes, so in your BEAR Act, there are some written lines which I want to show you on the on board, and after that I shall discuss about the pornographic purposes and pornographic act. So the section 13, whoever uses a child in any form of media, including program or advertisement by television, channel or internet or any other electronic form or printed form whether or not such program or advertisement is intended for personal use or for distribution for the purposes of sexual gratification, which includes अब ये आपको अंग्रेजी में लिखा बेयर एक्ट है, देयर इज नो एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट द लाइन्स, परहैप्स you can understand it and you cannot understand it. Both things may be happen. Here, whenever a child, जब कोई बच्चे को, here the meaning of child is female or male, both are included in child. who attended the age of below 16 years. Sometimes it is 18 years, but generally it is 16 years. They are meant for child in this act. So जब कोई व्यक्ति चाइल्ड बच्चा फीमेल हो या मेल हो, उसको कोई व्यक्ति ऐसे यूज करना चाहता है पर्सनल एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए, पर्सनल प्लेजर के लिए, या फॉर द प्लेजर ऑफ द ऑल थ्रू एडवर्टीजमेंट एंड some other media like electronic media or internet or cinema medium or any other electronics for the illegal purposes, that is called sexual gratification. The word I have underlined this, sexual gratification. This is nothing. In Hindi it is called जौन खुशी या आनंद. Most of you, perhaps so many students or so many persons, I don't know the ages, but they are indulge nowadays. They are indulged in watching mobile, and they use for this sexual gratification. Many of us are identify or have identity with the gratification, anand, and that is, what type of anand is there? Sexual. So, a child at last has been used for sexual gratification. A witness, like some new actress, has defined, has expressed, has disclosed that Raj Kundra gradually and continuously used her by saying that you will be a great artist in coming year, and you have to follow my way, what I say. And gradually she was pornographed by Raj Kundra, and naked touch of body was shown, and this protest was made by her to the police. But in the long run and afterwards, she gets the application returned due to the fear of Raj Kundra. And now she has expressed her sadness, her sorrow. Yesterday I have seen these things in pornographic purposes. Now here the last thing, which includes, I elaborate these things before you, but what are the ways by which a pornographic situation is seen? Suppose you take a snap of naked child girl. What would be the result? If you advertise it through your social media, so many people will visit this channel and will see, and her reputation will go down. Nowadays, so many black male cases are seen nowadays, that so many girls are blackmailed बाय सेइंग दैट आपका फ़ोटो हम वायरल कर देंगे सोशल मीडिया पर। दिस इज़ द कॉल मेड बाय द यंग पर्सन्स and to harass her and to make her sexually harass, sexually assault. So this is all about your, what I say, pornographic purposes. Now, if someone calls a child, instigate a child by saying that I will make your advertisement or program on internet or by other sources, and you will be a great personality like Hema Malini and so others. Or by this instigation, so many girls come under the purview of the person who are going to illegally instigate her or his. By the way, some of them come under the guidance of the illegal person and third class person, and by the way they get the bad result. So ये जौन खुशी के अंतर्गत जो इंक्लूड किया गया है उसमें है ये representation of the sexual organs of a child. This is a kind of one thing representation. किसी बच्चे का शारीरिक या यूं कहे लैंगिक या फिर कहें हम यौन अंग का प्रदर्शन। दूसरा है यूजेज ए चाइल्ड engaged in real or simulate sexual acts with or without penetration. Sorry. Penetration. What is the meaning? Usually a child engaged in real or a simulate sexual act. सिमुलेट सेक्सुअल एक्ट का क्या मतलब हो गया? आप लोग दो तरह का एक इमिटेशन फिल्म होता है और एक होता है रियल फिल्म। बहुत सारे ऐसे सीन होते हैं जो दिखाया जाता है, आप उसकी कल्पना नहीं करते, लेकिन डायरेक्टर या प्रोड्यूसर जो भी हो कल्पना करते हैं, आपके सामने दिखाते हैं, मानो हो रहा है, दैट इज़ नॉट रियल। और जो हो रहा है उसको भी देखा जाता है। तो ये सेक्सुअल जो इंगेजमेंट है, रियल और एस्टिमेट, या तो वास्तविक या अवास्तविक। अवास्तविक का क्या तरीका है? रियल में तो बहुत है, जो वही चीज़ वही एक्ट करेगा, लेकिन ऐसे एक्ट कराना सेक्सुअली जो लगता है कि वास्तव में कोई वास्तविक लड़के लड़कियां कर रही हैं, या लड़कियां कर रही है या लड़के कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसा किया जाना भी वह सेक्सुअल ग्रेटिफिकेशन के अंतर्गत आता है, अर्थात जॉन प्लेजर या सुख के लिए आता है, जो कि इलीगल है पोर्नोग्राफिक पर्पसेज में। उसके बाद तीसरे में है कि द इनडिसेंट और ऑब्सेंस representation of child, indecent, obscure, ये इनडिसेंट, डिसेंट का अर्थ होता है अच्छा, खूबसूरत, और ऑप्शन का भी वही अर्थ होता है इनडिसेंट, और डिसेंट का दूसरा हिंदी होता है कि अश्लील, जो देखने में खराब लगता हो। वैसा यदि रिप्रेजेंटेशन आदमी करता है तो तीन तरह के चीज हो गए, या तो सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन ऑफ चाइल्ड, यौन अंग किसी बच्चे का दिखाया जाए, वह भी अश्लीलता है और पोर्नोग्राफिक पर्पस के अंतर्गत आता है, और वह सेक्सुअल ग्रेटिफिकेशन के अंतर्गत, ये सारे तीन जो आपको मैंने बताया, वे तीनों, या सेक्सुअल ग्रेटिफिकेशन जो आप अकेले बैठकर या दोस्तों के साथ अकेले देखते हैं एडवर्टीजमेंट और प्रोग्राम के द्वारा, दैट इज ऑल्सो इलीगल, एंड दिस इज ए नॉट गुड मैटर, दिस इज वेरी वर्स्ट। दिस इज द होल थिंग अबाउट योर section 13. Now there is a punishment of pornographic purposes offense. Generally, whoever commits such acts, they are punished by the imprisonment, which may be of 3 years, or it will be extended to 5 years. And here is also a explanation regarding this section. Now let us see. In the purpose of this section, the expression use of child, this is your explanation in this section also. The use of child, what is the meaning of use child? So, use of child means the use of child through the media, whatever the media may be, either visual or by printing. So, or by any other electronic media or by computer network. This is your explanation, use of child. So, use of child is not related with assertively. It is used only by illegal purposes. This is all about your section 13. Now, the punishment is related of this section is section 14. Section 14. Section 14 is very vital, and this is your headline: punishment for using a child for pornographic purposes. Generally, unknown person commits wrong if he uses a child for what we have seen in section 13, and he will punished with for pornographic purposes as per the offense committed by him. And generally, this would amount to be 7 years, 7 years, and liable for fine also. It is generally. Now, this was one thing. Now, second, if a person using a child for pornographic purposes commits the offense referred to section 3 by directly participating in pornographic acts. Here सेक्शन 3, इसका यह अर्थ हो गया कि कोई व्यक्ति किसी बच्चे को पोर्नोग्राफिक पर्पस के लिए उसको लाता है और उसके साथ पोर्नोग्राफिक एक्ट्स के साथ या फिर दूसरे इंटेंशन से सेक्सुअल इंटेंशन commits the offense, which is regarded an offense and grave offense under section 3. Now question arises, what is section 3? Do you know? Have you some idea about section 3? So now section 3 is penetrative sexual assault. Means if a child is taken under consideration by a person without or in spite of doing pornographic purposes, he commits penetrative sexual assault with the child, what would be the result? Now we have to see penetrative sexual assault, and by the way, in the last class I have said you probation, लैंगिक हमला. And this section 3 includes so many things in this commission of the offense. Here, penetrative sexual assault. In last class I have described sexual assault and which have been described in other section also. Here sexual assault means what? लैंगिक हमला. If someone touches the private parts of a child, and here the meaning of child is same, female or male, like the private part means penis, private part means vagina, urethra, thereafter anus. मतलब कि यदि किसी के प्राइवेट पार्ट को हम छूते हैं, हरास करते तो अलग से दूर से उसको बात करके कह के, ऐसा बात करके कह के, या फिर गंदी हरकत करके, या आंख मार के, या फिर कोई फोटो दिखाकर जो करते हैं वह हमला नहीं होता, वह दूरी से किया जाता है, इसलिए दैट इज कॉल्ड हरासमेंट. मोबाइल पर फ़ोन करते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो हरासमेंट. बट हियर assault means there is a contact of body and body by touching. If I touch the private parts of the girl or male of a child, or if I touch the breast of a girl with sexual intention, and then it is crime or offense in these sections. It is also punishable. But here is penetrative. If someone makes assault of a child, particularly we can have an idea in mind that there is a female child. Yes, of course, why not? Attacks are made on female child only, not the male child also. If some male child is harassed or assaulted, it comes 377 in IPC, and penetration is there, then 375 is there. You know better through IPC. I have nothing to say about that. So if I point out the penetration, so it is a kind of rape. And I have nothing to say about that. Only there is a penetrative sexual assault of a child, then such penetration may be in 4 types. One is called penetration, another is called assert, and third is called manipulation, and fourth is called using your mouth. There are 4 conditions having commission of penetrative sexual assault in section 3. So let us see one by one, and these are the things which you should note it down, and if you have Bare Act before you, you can see also. A person is said to be under penetrative intention if he penetrate his penis to vagina or anus or urethra, etc. This is one thing, penetration. Second is he insert an object to her vagina, urethra, or anus, etc. Third is he manipulates some part of the body to child so as to cause of sexual penetration or makes the child to do so to him or any other person. And fourthly is he takes the penis to his mouth and something with the same action and makes the child to do so to him or any other person. These are the four ways by which penetration, insertion, using mouth and something other are penetrative sexual assault. And here, if we join this with this section, so in spite of pornographic purposes, if he commits these wrongs, these offenses, then punishment shall be made 10 years or for life imprisonment and fine also. This was the one way by which a person who calls a child or using a child for property purposes, but if he acts in this way, so he can be punished by this act by section 4 of this act. Now, so we should leave now for today, and thereafter I shall be again come before you in later on.